This morning I'm gonna cut some basil for some lunch sandwiches, and I'm gonna make some caprese salad. So of course you're gonna need basil. And these basils look beautiful. Had a couple of days of rain and they just go crazy. So just some. I don't need much, but I like fresh basils. I have some in the freezer, believe it or not, from last year. But nothing says fresh basil. That's just for emergencies. Okay, I add even the basil to flower arrangements. I just make small vases with flowers and small blooms. I'm gonna cut some mint for tea and iced tea. I'm gonna use one of our segments on how to make iced tea with herbs. Okay, I'm gonna move to cilantro. Let's see. Jasmine is blooming. Just needs a couple of days of good sun. There's some flower buds there. It's gonna look beautiful. And here's the cilantro, which I have let it bloom. I love these blooms. They look like baby's breaths. And a small arrangement will look beautiful. There you go. So pretty they are. Just put them together. Isn't that gorgeous? Great. I hope you enjoyed this segment. Have a good day.